Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. On this third day, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put on lashes. If you watched my first video and my second video, you guys know that I'm giving you guys 3 videos this week as a new year gift, just to be generous and so that you guys can enjoy yourself and learn 1 or 2 things about my makeup tips and my makeup tricks. I'll be teaching you guys step-by-step instructions on how your whole lash will stick to your lash bed and you will slay. Yes. Anyway, yes, so let's get into this video. Yes, so let's get into this video. Eyelash adhesive glue. I bought it from the internet. So for this eye, I'll be using the Cocoa eyelash glue, and for the other eye, I'll be using this glue, and we'll see how they perform. I find this technique very helpful because your eyelashes will not lift. They will not lift inside, outside, or in the middle. Your whole eyelash strip will be stuck to your eyelashes and it will not lift. And get you a pair of lashes, of course. I'll be using these lashes. So if you don't want it to be obvious, you know, there's a way people put lashes. You could tell there's a difference between the fake lash and their real lash. Like, don't do that. Like, we can see you've put on a fake lash. Like, don't do that. We know you've put on a fake lash, but like, we don't want to see that obviousness. Please, guys, please. Yes. Please, if you don't want that obviousness to show, put on some black eyeliner. So we've put on our eyeliner, our black eyeliner. We're going to get our lash and just soften it up, and then make sure it's in a U. So I'm going to get my Cocoa eye glue, and I'm going to put it on my strip like this. You know it's there when it starts turning purple. While the glue on the eyelash is drying, we're going to get our glue, and while we put on that black eyeliner, that's why we're going to get this glue and put it on a black eyeliner. This glue doesn't sting the eye, it doesn't hurt the eye. That's why I love this glue. Not love, that's why I like this glue. You can see the glue in the eyelash is almost clearing, and on the eyelash, when the eyelid is clearing. So get your tweezers, get your mirrors, and look down while you put your eyelash. Personally, I love to use my hands, but I'm teaching you guys who won't be able to use your hands to use a tweezer. Once it's stuck, just push your lashes down so that it can be closer to your real lashes. After that, stick your fake lashes and your real lashes together like this. So that we don't see that obvious gap between your fake lashes and your real lashes. You've heard, ladies. You know yourselves. After this step, you've seen my eyelashes there. They are brown because of the eyeshadow I was using. That's why you get your mascara and blend in and darken your lashes and blend in your lashes with the fake eyelashes. with your mascara. Look at the difference. You guys, eyelashes really save the look. If you feel like your lashes and your fake lashes and your eyelashes are not together, just get your tweezer and stick them together. So this is this eye. And for the other eye, we said we're going to use the Dio Eyelash Adhesive Glue. For my left eye, I will follow the exact steps I did on my right eye. I put on my liquid eyeliner, I got my lash, I made it flexible, and I put it into a U so that it can fit on my eyelash bed. And I'm going to get my glue. This is how it looks. Just put it on the strip. And then we wait for it to dry. I know it looks a mess, but trust the process. I'm going to use my hands this time because I'm used to putting in my hands. So I'm used to putting lashes with my hands. So just get into it. But it's for you to know that this lash is ready. It's going to get clear. You can see it's getting clear in my eyes, and it's also getting clear on some parts of the lashes. And for you to also know the lash is ready for putting on, the glue becomes tacky. So let's put it. Don't forget your mirror so that you guys can see what you're doing. Like this. Put it like this. Press your fake lashes and your real lashes together so that you don't leave a gap, and make it obvious like you have put on fake lashes. And yeah, make sure the lash is stuck in the sides. Stuck here and stuck here. We don't want it lifting and looking crazy. Like we did with this eye, we're going to put on mascara on this eye. So that's how we put on our lashes. So just to give you an extra something, I'm also going to teach you guys how I do my brown ombre lip with gloss. I'm going to get my brown eyebrow pencil or brown eyeliner, whichever. Yeah. And I'm going to line my lips. I know I have big lips, but I'm going to overline my lips anyway because I can. So you guys, since this is a cheap lip tutorial, you're just going to get your brown eyeliner, line your lips in any store. China Mall, any store, you know, these mamas who sell lipstick, just get a brown liquid eyeliner, just get a matte brown liquid lipstick, any brown. So I have 2 browns which I got. I have this one, and I have this one. So just get any brown one. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to line my lips with this liquid lipstick where I put the brown liner. I'm going to go in with my brown lipstick. This is from Avon. Yeah, just some brown lipstick. It's almost done. This is a little I have remaining. And just put it in there and just see what I'm doing. I'm just going to get my flat brush and tap in some concealer and tap it on my lips. My lips look big. That's okay. That's what I wanted. And then to clean up the mess, you guys can see I have some mess there. For the final look, I'm going to put on some gloss. I know my lips look big, but that's the look I was going for, and this is how I do my brown lip. So I'm going to be using Just Be Gorgeous. I got it from Jet before Jet closed, so yes. I'm using it's in the shade number 12. And this is how I do my brown lip. So guys, let me just finish my makeup off camera and do the final touches, and I'll be right back with the final look. Hi you guys, I'm back with the final look. This is the final look with everything, the lashes and the lips and the makeup and everything. I hope you guys learned a thing or two on how I put on the eyelashes. Yeah, that's how I put them. So on this eye, I use this Dio eyelash adhesive glue, which I got from the internet. And for this eye, I use the Cocoa eye glue, which I got in the Zambian store. So yeah, I know you guys are like, why is she uploading the same look in 3 videos? Because people request for different things. Someone requested that I should do a tutorial on how I do my base. Someone requested a tutorial on how I do my eyeshadow, and another person also requested a tutorial on how I should put on my lashes. So I thought that I should divide it in 3 videos. I can't put it in 1 video because that's too much. So I decided to put it in 3 videos. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.